If you've been trying to open a website or a tool in Google Chrome and nothing happens, your pop-up blocker may be stopping it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix that can help when login windows, download prompts, payment pages, or important website messages are being blocked. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop taskbar or start menu depending on how you normally launch your browser. Once Chrome opens, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From the list that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page where you can manage privacy, security, and site permissions. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section controls how Chrome handles browsing protection, cookies, website permissions, and more. After that, in the main window, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where Chrome lets you control what websites are allowed to do, including access to your camera, microphone, notifications, and pop-ups. Now scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects, and click on it. This is the section that controls whether websites can open new windows or send you to another page automatically. Under Default Behavior, you'll see an option that is usually set to block pop-ups. To disable the pop-up blocker, select Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Once you choose that option, Chrome will allow pop-ups and redirects from websites instead of blocking them by default. That's it. The pop-up blocker is now disabled in Google Chrome. If you ever need to turn it back on later, just return to the same menu and switch it back to the blocking option. This can be really useful if you only need pop-ups temporarily for a trusted website. Just remember to use this carefully, because pop-ups can sometimes be used by less trustworthy sites. So only allow them when you know the website is safe. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.